Hello and welcome back to Happy, Healthy, Fit, and Fabulous, where we chat about beauty, fashion, health and wellness, and real life. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be reviewing and trying on the Diamond for April palette from the BH Cosmetics Birthstone Collection. So if you're interested in seeing how this palette looks and how it performs, stay tuned. So since the beginning of 2021, BH has been releasing a new palette in their Birthstone collection. Now each of these little palettes has 7 shades in it and they retail for $9. Now this month we have the Diamond for April palette. And I decided to review this palette because April is my birth month, so I thought it would just be fun to go ahead and share this with you guys. Here's what the little palette looks like on the outside. And here is what it looks like on the inside. And please forgive me, guys, because I have already used it. This is what I have on today, so you probably see my fingerprints and stuff in the shadows. Now, what BH has on its website about this palette is, it says, "Get iced out in Diamond for April, a multifaceted, compact mix of silvers, neutrals, and pinkish tones in pressed glitter, matte, and shimmer finishes." At first I was a little confused when I'm opening it. I'm like, they have black and, you know, like all the silver, but I get it, because, you know, we do have, even though this isn't a shimmery shade, it's kind of a pinkish, and you have pink diamonds, you have your clear diamonds, you have black diamonds, so, and all of them have a little bit of shimmer in there. Out of the 7 shades, we have 3 shimmery shades, we have 1 glitter, and then we have 3 matte shades. This first shade here, which is the larger of all the shades, is called Diamond. And then we have a neutral shade there. And then we have Suave here. We have Lover here. Stunning here, which is a nice silver shade. And then down here you have Bling, which is the only glitter in the palette. And then you have Fearless, which is that black with specks of diamond like shimmers in it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch these for you real quick just so you can see how they look swatched. Okay, so here are all of the shades in the palette swatched. They are absolutely lovely. I started at the top here, and that's Diamond. And then we have Neutral. We have Suave. We have Lover. We have Stunning, which I love. It's silver but more of a grayish hue to it. And then over here we have Bling, which is the 1 glitter in the palette, and it definitely packs a punch. And then on that side we have Fearless, which is the black color, and I think it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles in that or not. Now this little palette also does include a mirror, so if you're on the go you can do your makeup with the mirror included in the palette. And right underneath the mirror on the palette it says "Your Flawless Diamond." Look at that. Very, very cute. So again, I am actually wearing this palette on my eyes today. I wanted to test it out and see how it performed, and here's the look that I came up with. And I did record myself putting it on so you guys can see it. But before I jump to the try on portion, I do want to announce that we will be doing a giveaway in honor of my 50th birthday, which is today. So happy birthday to me. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway, just stick around until the end of the video so that you have all the details on how you can enter. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and try this on. So I went ahead and primed my eyes off camera. I did use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the original formula for that. So the first color we're going to go in with is this color here called Lover. And it looks like a kind of peachy color to me. But I'm going to put that all over the lid. And I'm just really using this as a kind of a base to kind of make the other eyeshadow a little bit easier to apply, or apply a little more smoothly, I guess I should say. I'm gonna hit that again. The next color I'm going to go in with is this color here, which is a little bit deeper, and this one here is called Suave. I'm going to put that like in the crease and a little above the crease. this is just a really nice color for deepening in the crease. I like the way it looks. Now I always have to kind of play a fine balancing act because my eyes are totally different sizes. Like this one is definitely more prominent and this one is more inset. And they're actually shaped a little bit differently. So it's always hard to make them look identical. I know from afar sometimes they look like it, but if you get up close you can tell that one may be a little bit different than the other. But you know, it is what it is. Let them have their own individuality. So next guys, I am going to fill in my outer V with this color here, which is that black color, which is Fearless. It's absolutely stunning. It has like specks of sparkle in it. Don't know if you guys can catch that on camera or not. So next I want to try laying down this P. Louise base in black on the rest of my lid. I want to see how it would look against the shimmer shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of that on. So now that that's on, before it dries too much, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and then I will do the other eye. So in the middle of this lid, we're gonna go ahead and put this color here, which is that beautiful shimmery color, and that's called Stunning. Oh, that is so pretty, so pretty. Oh, love it. So that is stunning on, guys. I think that color is really stunning. The name fits. Very, very pretty. And over this black base, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's almost giving me like a hint of bluishness coming through. So let's go ahead and put this next color in the front of the lid, and that color there is called Diamond. And I'm gonna put that on the front portion of the lid. So here is Diamond in the front of the lid. Now I will tell you that these colors are very, very similar when I place them on the lid. I don't know if it's because of the black base or not, but they're very similar. Now the one in the front here, Diamond, may be a little bit deeper than the one I have on the middle of my lid here. But I like it nonetheless. So I think what I'm gonna do now, just so that I can use this glitter color and see how it performs, is I'm gonna take this one glitter here, which is Bling, and I'm going to place it right over Stunning in the middle of my lid. Just dab it on lightly to see how it looks. So it definitely adds a little bit of extra shimmer to the look. Now, would I have actually needed it? Probably not, but it's nice, it's nice. And I obviously didn't use a glitter glue or anything, so I just wanted to try it out, but I do like it there. So let me go ahead and jump off and do my other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. Now that I've got the other eyes somewhat matching, let's just go in real quick. I'm gonna deepen up these outer V's and kind of blend the crease out a little bit more, and that's a wrap. So now that my eye look is pretty much complete, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera and complete the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. So here is what the completed look looks like. I did go ahead and add the rest of my face on, but in the eye area, I did add a little inner corner highlight, and I put a little highlight on my brow there, and I used the color Diamond for that as well. And I also added a little bit of liner inside of my waterline and on my upper lid, and a little bit across the top of my my eyelid there, right at the base. But anyway, guys, overall, I think the look came out pretty nice, and I actually really do like this palette. I think it was a lot of fun, and I love, love, love the sparkly effect that it gives. All of the colors in this palette performed really well. They glided on really nice and really smoothly. The only two that had a little bit of fallout were the two mattes here, which are the Suave and the Lover color there. But everything else just applied really, really nicely. The mattes applied nicely too, but they do have a little bit of fallout. So my overall thoughts on this palette is that I think it's a really, really nice and fun palette. Now they do have the Birthstone Collection. They release a new one each month. I do have all four, but I just decided to go ahead and review the diamond one because April is my birth month and this was my birthstone. So I thought it would be fun to go ahead and review it for you guys. But anyway, again, guys, these retail for $9 and you get 7 different shadows. And in this one, we have the 2 mattes. We have we actually have 3 mattes. We have like 3 shimmery colors, and then we have a glitter in here. The colors are a nice complement for the month of April. And if I didn't mention it, mine is really, really dirty because I have fingerprints all over it, but there's also a little mirror in the palette there. So if you were on the go and needed a mirror to apply your makeup, you could use that one there. So let me know your thoughts about this palette and the look that I created down in the comments below. Is this something that you've picked up? Are you picking them all up month by month? Are you just going to buy your birth month, or you just have no interest in them at all? Anyway, guys, that's everything that I have regarding the palette. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. So in honor of my 50th birthday, which is today, I decided that I wanted to do something for you guys. So we are going to be doing a giveaway. And in this giveaway, we're going to have 3 winners. It's nothing really big. I'm giving away 3 palettes to 3 different winners. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep this giveaway open from today through April 30th at midnight. So I will choose a winner on May 1st, and I will release a video May 2nd or May 3rd with the winner of that giveaway. Well, with the winner of each of the giveaways. There'll be 3 again. And I'm just going to use a random comment picker to pick the winners. So what I need you to do, if you want to be entered into the giveaway, is to leave a comment down below. You can comment whatever you like. It doesn't really matter to me. As long as you leave a comment so that you can be entered. And you do have to be over 18 and living in the US. And you also have to be subscribed to my channel in order to win the giveaway. For this giveaway, I will be giving away 3 Huda Beauty palettes. The first winner I choose will receive the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda. This will actually be for the first winner picked and the 3rd winner picked. So I'm giving away 2 of these, again, to the first winner picked and to the 3rd winner picked. And the 2nd winner will receive the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So again, to reiterate, the first winner will receive the Mercury Retrograde palette, and the 3rd winner will receive the Mercury Retrograde palette, and the 2nd winner will receive the Rose Gold Remastered palette. Also, just to let you know, I will be notifying the winner via the comment that you leave down below. But also, you should check again between the 2nd and the 3rd on whichever video I post, and I will list in the title of the video giveaway winner announced. And guys, that's pretty much it. I'm making it really, really easy. You have to leave a comment, you have to be subscribed, over 18, and living in the US. And all the other details of the giveaway will be listed down in the description box below. Again, we're going to leave this open for 10 days from today, April 20th, through April 30th at midnight, picking a winner on the 1st, announcing on the 2nd or 3rd of May in whatever video that I post. Good luck to each and every one of you who enters the giveaway. Well, anyway, guys, that's it. That's all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.